Hello, in our today's tutorial, we will be treating on how to produce an elevation in ArchiCAD. For you to produce an elevation in ArchiCAD, you must first of all finish your 3D design. Once you are done with your design, you can now proceed in creating or generating your elevation in ArchiCAD. There are different ways of producing an elevation in ArchiCAD. But I will show you guys at least up to 2 ways of doing that. Stay tuned. So for you to proceed with your elevation in ArchiCAD, you come over to your ground floor. You see your elevation lines, east, west, north and south. If you didn't see it here, you can actually go to your design tools under document. Is your elevation line. You click on it, then you drag it, a straight line. I don't need it, I have my line already here. So for me to proceed, what I have to do is I'll click on my south elevation. Let us focus on south elevation. Then you right click on it, open with current view, click on it. You have different ways and pattern of doing this. This is your elevation. Then you highlight the entire building, Ctrl A. Then you copy, Ctrl C, or you right click and you see these tabs, click on copy. Yes, then you go over. You can place it anywhere. You can actually place and paste it here, ground floor, or you come over to story 1, story 2, or generate story, depending your choice. Then you paste, or you press your keyboard tab, Ctrl V. Then you drag it, click on it, right click and OK it. Okay, this is our south elevation. So we have to delete the fill. This is what you have to do. You ungroup this. Okay, let's ungroup it. So I'll show what I mean. Let's mark you this. You mark you, click on fill, Ctrl A, and delete. Have you seen that our entire drawing has deleted? So let's go back. Ctrl Z, undo. So before you do that, you have to ungroup this. This is grouped. Ungroup it. When you ungroup it, you see the symbol here. It will be kind of blue. Yeah, so you have to go back to your mark queue again. You highlight, then you click on your fill. This is your fill. Ctrl A and delete. As you can see, this is your elevation. So the next thing we have to do now, we need to change this line color to black. Click on your line, Ctrl A, and you look for black color and erase. You have done it. This is our south elevation. The next thing you have to do, in our design we have something, will I say, brick ties here. We have it here too. So we have to show all this. So if you come to your fill, double click on your fill. Okay, just click on your fill. Under this tab, click on it. Then you look for brick texture or brick material or brick ties material. Let's use this. Brick on bond. Click on it. Then this second option here, change it to white. Then let's regulate the pen width. The pen width is okay, kind of okay, or we can still change it to this. We need to delete all this line. You don't need these lines here. This is the line I use to generate my design, so it is not part of the drawing. So we have done our cities in the field, right? So let's proceed. Let us see how. Okay, it started from the concrete pressure. Okay, which is this. We don't also need. Okay, now you click on the field. Let's proceed. This is how the field went. I'm just taking it the long way. You can use your curve tools to just do this. I'm just doing it this way. Okay, this is done. Then let's go over to, we don't need this. Then let's go over to this area, we need it too. So you can change it to this option so that it will click everything at once. I get him. So we also have brick ties here. So we have it here too. So you can actually do the same thing. And in this area, we have to go back to this because the area is not squared. So you have to take it one after the other. Okay, you do the same thing here. We do the same thing here. The same thing here. Click to this. Good. The same thing here. Good. Hope you are following. This is the area where we have those brick ties. Okay, we are done with this. The next thing we have to do, we have to add our roof fill, roof material. So you can actually give it the thickness you want. Highlight the two lines, the lines here, or you click or hold your shift tab, click and click, then zoom in, click on this. You see, click on this option here, this option here, this one here. So you reduce it, duplicate using your function key. The plus arrow will show that it has duplicated 100. Type in 100, duplicate again, enter. As you can see, this is it. Then you can delete from here, delete the line here. You can do the same thing here. 100, you delete your line. Okay, do the same thing here. 100. Then the entire line you do the same thing. 100. So sorry, my battery is low. So what we have to do now, you go to your fill, you change it to roof material. Then you hold your space bar, Then you trace the lines, change it to this. Yes. Okay. You have to do it this way to get to the starting point to the ending point, for you to get what you want. I am not paying any detailed attention. I'm trying to be fast to rush it. Mind you, in generating your own, you have to remove it from through pen width, because my own is in through pen width and it is kinda thick. You won't get the actual. Okay, I will actually show you what I'm talking about. Okay, we are done. Just remove it in through line width. The line is now faint. So this is how to produce an elevation in ArchiCAD. So the next thing you have to do is to export it. You can export it with snap tools. Click on your search buttons, stepping tools, new, highlight, save as, desktop, anything, then you save your work. Or you add your line, use mark you it, save as, desktop, click on this, look for PDF, save it as PDF. This is PDF. Do your settings, A3 0 0 0 0. Okay, the next option here, original page, color, black and white, everything is okay. Okay, I'll save it. So you come to your desktop. If you go back to your desktop, what did you save the work itself? Okay, this is the work. This is the work in 3D. Then let's go to our normal picture. We saved it in two different places. The other one, I can't find it. Okay, this is it. This is it. So in my next video, I will show you guys the other ways of creating elevation in ArchiCAD. Thank you.